My name is Yousuf Akbari. I'm an emergency and intensive care medicine trainee here in the Northeast. I look forward to welcoming you all to this year's RCEM Annual Scientific Conference being held at the Glasshouse just behind me. We are bringing together an excellent host of regional, national and international speakers to showcase the latest in research and hot topics relevant to emergency care today. My favourite thing about living in the Northeast is that you can go from being in the city centre to the coast and to the countryside in just about 10 minutes from each other. Furthermore, I'd like to show you the Northeast and why I've called it home for almost the last 10 years now.
Hello, my name's Professor Tim Coates. I'm going to be talking at the RCEM Annual Scientific Conference in the trauma session about the last 33 years worth of achievements of TARN, the Trauma Audit and Research Network, which earlier this year morphed to become NMTR, the National Major Trauma Registry. So I'm going to be looking back to the achievements of the past and looking forward to see what trauma quality improvement is going to be like in the UK in the future.
It is challenging to diagnose Coro-Quina syndrome merely based on clinical information, especially when the emerging evidence suggests that no single clinical test is gold standard. It especially becomes difficult when the MRI scans are not readily available, the department is busy, and patient is in pain. It requires quite a lot of resources and manpower to transfer a patient for MRI scan. Here I talk about the role of serum biomarkers, which potentially can help us reduce the requirement of the scan. And this reduces the negative scans, saves time, improves the productivity and need for transfer.